Welcome to Cooking on WW with Nomo.Yoyo. I'm Sarah. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Skinnytaste microwavable banana muffin. I'm going to put all the measurements in the description, so I'm not going to talk about the exact measurements. I'm just going to talk about the process. So first, you're going to take your banana and your vanilla and mash it up and mix it all together until it's one cohesive mixture. In a separate mug, the mug that you're going to put in the microwave, so make sure it's microwavable, you're going to mix your dry ingredients. So it's flour, sugar substitute. I used Splenda sugar substitute, but you could also use Swerve or whichever one you prefer. Monk fruit, I know, is another popular one. And then you're going to put your baking powder and a pinch of salt and mix that all together. Last, you're going to mix your wet ingredients into your dry ingredient mug that will be going into the microwave. So you could just leave your mixture like this, or you could add your mix-ins. Skinnytaste recommends chocolate chips, sprinkles, nuts. You could also do coconut. I decided to just do chocolate chips and of course sprinkles to make it look fun and colorful. Don't forget your points will change depending on what ingredients you mix in. So this is what your mixture will look like when it's all mixed together right before you put it into the microwave. After 90 seconds, here's the finished product, and then I'll be flipping it out onto a plate. This particular muffin wound up being 3 smart points on WW Blue. Since I had this for breakfast, I decided to make a side of eggs with mine, but you could have just the muffin for breakfast or even for a good quick snack. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WW friendly recipes.